con todo.
Muy bonito. Sí, pero no quiero quitarme esto, la mochila. Es un sello. Ya tengo sellos. Necesito 2 cada día. Pues albergue 1 y la tarde una cerveza, 2. Ya está. ¿Duermes en Pedrouzo? ¿Dónde tienes el albergue?
En
Algo.
Sí.
¿Pero está más lejos o más cerca? Está...
No lo sé.
No lo sabes, vale.
10 kilómetros.
10? 10? Ok.
Yeah.
10.
Tomorrow I have to do 10 kilometers.
Okay, that's the difference.
And,
Yeah.
I don't want to be in Santiago on a rush.
No.
I want to be slowly for myself. And,
That is good. Remember that for the Compostelana, don't go in the afternoon.
yeah.
It's a tip, because in the morning nobody goes because it's arriving.
Yeah.
And all the pilgrims are going between 12 and 5. It's full, the office. So try to remember, and if you don't go on queues, wait a couple of days and go in the morning.
You think?
No.
What is early in the morning in Spain?
Late. No, but it's a different context. But I think that they're gonna start working at 9. It's
At 9,
yeah, typical office, tourist office.
Yeah.
And we have to understand that as well they will not wake up earlier because the people that works there is volunteers, so they don't get paid for that. So you cannot expect that they're gonna come to do the Compostelana at 7 in the morning.
I have a family friend which made 2 times this year volunteers.
Nice.
And I will be happy to speak with her how it was. She was 1 week in Haag and the other I don't remember.
Nice.
Is it a good experience? Is it I don't know.
I went to Ethiopia, you know, in Africa.
Wow.
In Ethiopia, but long time ago. I am 42 and I was around 19 or 20 years, so 20 years ago. And it is a great experience with the ONG, just to collaborate, because at the end in Africa, if you are not, so you can go there, but you have to be useful. The problem is that people goes there, but they don't need people.
Yeah.
They need people with knowledge. They need a doctor, they need an architect, they need someone that helps them to learn how to use the wood, the iron, how to, they need to develop, they need to learn. So everyone is not just go